I covered half of my space with the CC cream, and I loved how easy it is to apply. A quick disclaimer, I received this product free to try. I don't like getting my hands dirty, so using a makeup sponge made it really easy to apply. It makes such a difference. And look at the packaging. It's so pretty. The box as well. Just look at the box. I love it. Coverage is light to medium for me. I love it how it feels. I already applied a CC cream with the same color, and now I'm gonna have to finish it with the powder on top, and it's so pretty. It goes on really smoothly, and it gives my makeup a finished look. A quick disclaimer, I received this product free to try. And it makes my skin look even. I love it. Look how pretty this Rachel Couture CC cream is. Just look at the box. Just beautiful. Let's try it on. A quick disclaimer, I received this product free to try. So I covered half of my face here, and you can see the redness is gone. This is the medium color. And all I do is just use the makeup sponge, and I just put it on my face, and it just gives me that great and nice base to build the rest of my makeup. Swirl. Thank you, Rachel Couture, for sending me this translucent powder to try. It is a very easy, you just remove the sticker on top, and just then you shake it so you can get some product, and then swirl. It's very nice finished look. I already have a CC cream under in the same medium color, and I prefer the medium color in the summer, and I go with a light color in the winter. I love it. It gives me that nice and finished look, and it's very flattering on my face.